We're in today with the FirePro V5800. This is a 2011 video card with 800 shaders. It's got 1 gig of VRAM GDDR5 running with 690 MHz on the core clock, 1000 MHz on the memory clock, 128 bits bus width, and today we're gonna pair it up with this i7 4th gen with 4 cores and 8 threads. I had back in the days the drivers for this video card. I had the original drivers for this video card, and for some reason the software doesn't work, or I just don't have the original drivers. I mean, very interesting. I logged into their website. I tried to download it, but I can't find them. And the only way I can play and use this video card is with this drivers, with this FirePro V5800 from Microsoft. It's like an engineering sample driver. What I have here today is Windows 7 with this video card, and Steam doesn't work. Yeah, well, Steam doesn't work on Windows 7. You know, you cannot install it, but it was working with other video cards, and I'm gonna put another video card to see if it's actually working. If not, I have to go back in time and restore the Windows in order to see if I can put back Steam. I cannot live without Steam in this computer. Like I said, the best thing I can do, find a couple of games that actually works with this video card on this machine and see how it holds. Let's go. Let's start with S.T.A.L.K.E.R and see how it's running with this video card. I got full dynamic light, maximum details on 1080p. This is actually nice. Seriously, it's working really nice. I got like 60 FPS here, 90. It's locked to 60 FPS, but my god, this is actually nice. Seriously. All right, let's see what we got here. Look at this. Quality wise, it's good, 55 FPS. Let's do a reset here and see how it's averaging. The performance is not bad. I think the best thing I can do for this is just play the game a little and see if it's averaging nice. 569 allocated and 518 processed. Temperature wise is good. I'm actually afraid for this video card because it's a one slot unit. It's got a small squeaky fan. It's not funny. Every time I have to be with high-end thermal paste in this situation in order to get some thermals, good thermals with this. So I put it on automatic fan, and I got with 75% fan power, I got some very interesting thermals. I got 70-90% load. I mean, yeah, the game looks okay-ish with this video card. It doesn't have any problems. I'm looking for problems because I have a dodgy driver in this computer. Windows 7, it's very interesting. I have to put this video card back in Windows 10 and actually play some DirectX 11 games, but I came to Windows 7 because by mistake I seen an article and I was like, it doesn't work, you have to change the drivers. Apparently it does. So if I go on AMD's website and I want to download AMD FirePro or ATI FirePro V5800, it gives you the drivers, you install the drivers, and it says fail. What do you want? I need a control panel so I can actually play the games. If I don't have control panels, I got some DLL missing, and Steam says error, load, blah blah blah, and I cannot start my library. So I'm wondering what games I can play on this. You know, find some older titles, find some games that are not related to Steam, and see how this game is and this video card is performing. So this is kind of good, you know. So yeah, I like this. You know, I like how it's performing with full dynamic light, maximum loads on the video card's core, 62 FPS in some situations, 57 on average, 27, 28 on 1%, and 30 on minimal. So averaging really nice. Quality wise, this is good. So in this situation with maximum details on 1080p, this is a fantastic performance from the video card with only 150 watts consumption on the whole computer. In this S.T.A.L.K.E.R, I have maximum detail with enhanced full dynamic lighting DirectX 11. 1080p maximum details. Listen, sometimes some things you do not max out, you know. Just because this video card has DirectX 11 doesn't mean I have to put DirectX 11. Look at this, 24 FPS. What are you talking about? You cannot max out this game with DirectX 11. Actually playing a clear sky with high-end RTX video cards, and I barely got 70 FPS, and you come here in this S.T.A.L.K.E.R with DirectX 11 and has full dynamic lighting, and you're gonna put nice FPS in this situation. No, look at this, 20 FPS. Let's do one more reset. 30 FPS, 23 on minimal, how much? 28 on minimal, and 26 on 1%. Dude, this is insane performance. Wow, look at the drops. 4 FPS. Oh, not okay. 887 megabytes of VRAM allocated and 837 process. It's okay theoretically, you know, it's being utilized. It's got a lot of hiccups. The frame time is everywhere there. Look at this. This is an interesting performance this video card has got. Wow, look at this. I mean, it looks great, you know, but yeah, I can do nothing here. It will be very interesting. I jammed the gun, seriously trying to shoot the bird here. Well, if you keep shooting it in the rain with the barrel up, it's gonna jam. Look at that. So you can shoot the bird with this, but you're gonna waste all your ammo and the gun is gonna jam a couple of times. All right, S.T.A.L.K.E.R, you made your point. Sometimes if you have options with DirectX 11, just leave them alone and go with lower quality. Interesting performance in Need for Speed, apparently on 1080p with maximum details. I mean, the game looks gorgeous. I want to play the game and see how it's performing with this video card here. I'm interested in the future to see if it's working with SLI and Crossfire. And in this situation, the video card itself doesn't have any problems. The resolution is good, the quality is good, the performance is spot on, frame time is flat. I got 400 megabytes are allocated and he's doing a fantastic job. Seriously, I like this attitude this video card has got in this game. You know, so maximum code load, hundreds of FPS. I want to see how it's holding here on the average. I got 131 on minimal and 168 on the average with 108 on 1%. Good performance seriously from this video card in this situation. Sometimes it's reaching 200 FPS. I mean, then it's going to stutter. It feels very weird when it's reaching this amount of FPS, but I think ideal would be to have a different type of limit on this. I think limiting the FPS based on the monitor you have is going to be beneficial. One, for you, because I already got 160 watts consumption from this. I mean, it looks great. It's running great. All titles apparently are more beneficial for this video card and for yourself apparently. So going with all games on a FirePro like this, apparently it's not a bad idea. Seriously. Let's see an older title how it's performing with this. This is 1280 by 1024 or something. And I'm not gonna lie, I want to play this game with HGP video cards and old PCI Express video card, but I was like, okay, how is running with the video card like this? And I was like, okay, let's put the video cards inside here with this game and see how it's running. 1280 apparently by 1024. It came with 4x3 and I really love this idea of 4x3. And I don't have the control panel on the video card, but apparently he managed to output it properly. Hundreds of FPS, 40% load on the core of the video card is not that bad. I think this is an exaggeration to have 200 FPS in this game, but it feels very snappy. Look at the frame time, it's just a flat line. But I got 90 megabytes of VRAM allocated and 40 process. I'm actually surprised it's doing that, you know, allocating more and processing differently, you know. Temperature wise, I got 50 degrees on this occasion. It's good with 65% power. I'm not saying nothing about that because I was very skeptical on the temperature side with this video card, but it does the job seriously here. 171 on 1% and 176 on minimal. 15% load on the CPU, so if I want to play this game with this video card, apparently the CPU it's an it's an i7 4th gen. You don't need this core to do, or dual core can actually do the job. I did World of Tanks. I got minimal details. Actually, we can go on low quality. Let's try low quality. 60. Oh, I didn't know why it was so weird. Look at this. So I put on low quality. It's totally different than minimal and it's behaving properly. I love it. All right, let's jump into action and see how it's working. So 1080p low quality. If I go on medium quality, there is a chance this video card can actually go, but it's got only 1 gig of VRAM and I think it's gonna exceed 1 gig of VRAM. Then it's gonna slap the video card. Then World of Tanks is gonna take this video card on medium detail and it's gonna say, bad boy, why you came here with medium quality when you got only 1 gig of VRAM? And usually on medium quality you require like 2 or 4 gig of VRAM in order to get this game running perfectly. So I like the game, I like the performance this GPU it's offering, but sometimes you don't have to exaggerate, you know. All right, let's see what we got here. I think we can go. Yeah. Press. All right. Let's play World of Tanks here. Wow. 150 FPS here on average. 134. It's okay. I got 91 on minimal and 64 on 1%. The game is doing a fantastic job with this video card. The game is doing a fantastic job here with this video card, and I think the best thing I can do is just average the FPS and see how much it's gonna hold. Love the performance. On the system side, I got 25% load on the CPU, 160 watt. The GPU and the system is doing okay here, so not a big problem with this. I think the best thing I can do is play and see how much it's gonna average until the end. And until now, everything is good. Dude, this is insane to see this old video card running in this game like this. I got 1080p, hundreds of FPS, so this is what I want. Just for the meme, I wanted to enter Crysis 3 to see how it's performing here with maximum details. Not okay. Well, go back. Look at the floor. 15 F. Okay, maybe I can put it on low details. All right, now on 1080p with low details. Got 36 FPS, 30 FPS. Nice, look at that. I have a standing chance with this video card in Crysis 3 with 30 FPS. Alright, so I'm not gonna judge this video card, and I'm not gonna put this video card through this type of crap. Alright, so listen, all jokes aside, this is not how you set up the game. Even though it's on low quality, on 1080p, I got 30 FPS. So ideal would be for this 720p, 1366, you know, low resolution in order to make the video card work. But I just came into the game so I can show you the true power this video card has got, you know. I got 57 degrees on this occasion with 92% fan power. I can hear it squeaking here. Seriously, this is good. This is a nice performance from the video card. Quality wise, performance wise, everything is good, even with 100% load core. This is an awesome performance from the video card. So in this situation, I will say, you know what, I like it. Adjustable, yes. Do I want more FPS? Of course, like everybody else, you know, that has a video card that is put in a game like this, you know, I want, you know, low resolution. I think I can get more FPS. But just showing you how this video card is performing in Crysis 3 with this. And it's not a bad performance. I freaking love it. How about if we're jumping in Battlefield with this video card? I want to see on 1080p with low details how it's performing. This is a very interesting performance from the video card. I got only 40 FPS here, 900 megabytes of VRAM allocated, and 800 processed. The video card is being utilized at 100% load here, and it's holding. Theoretically, it should be utilizing this video card with 1080p, 1366, 720p, but I'm in the game. I want to see this video card holding on average 36 minimal and 24 on 1%. I mean, if you really want this game to run, lowering the resolution will help. But yeah, on the CPU side, 30-40% load on the CPU. In some cases it's working, in some cases it's holding pretty well. Actually, let's try on the resolution side. Let's go maybe to 720p. Do you think you can lower the 720p? Well, 720p I got 60 FPS. This is it. 900 megabytes of VRAM utilized. I knew it is gonna hold. I just need that MS Afterburner a little lower and it will be okay. Now it's not that big on the screen and I can actually play the game with 720p now with low quality. Battlefield is working. Come on, give me the kill like this. Okay, look at him. There is a tank here coming. Let's go. Come on. It's mine. I'm taking the Abraham. You have stole the Abraham. Yes, please. Oi. Shit. It's gonna blow. No, where was he? What the heck I done to deserve this? I mean, it looks gorgeous on 1080p maximum details, DirectX 11 feature setup and stuff like that. But damn, Daniel, I was expecting this video card to run with more than 20 FPS. All right, let's arrange this. Seriously, DirectX 11. I got DirectX 9. Maybe we can put on high, and instead of analyzing like that, we can put 2, and then I need to drop in filtering on 16. 47, not bad. So anisotropic filtering, we can put it on 2 too. All right, 47. No drop in the FPS. So in the comment section, keep preaching me. Anisotropic filtering doesn't lower the performance, only anti-aliasing. You're right, man. You're right. Medium quality. Let's see. 51. What the fuck about low details? Do I need to restart? Low details, 1080p, DirectX 11, anti-aliasing on 2 with anisotropic filtering on 16. It runs great. This is good. The frame time is good. Yeah, boy. Look at this. 500 megabytes of VRAM allocated and 300 processed. It's doing great. Now 80-90% load in this occasion. So if I got 10% left, I think if I pass through this smoke, it's gonna give me 43 FPS, 41 on minimal and 40 on 1%. Not okay, but got nice temperature. Performance on the system is not bad. 20% load on the CPU with 3.4 gig of system RAM utilized, with less than 30 watts consumption from the CPU. CPU wise, it's not stress, but it does show me that it's important to have this type of high frequency CPU. So quality is good. Do I like it? Yes. Does it look great? Look at this. Lights, shadow quality, good. It looks okay. Even with low quality, it's not that bad. Idea would be to have more details, but in higher quality, but that's it. It's a good quality and performance with this video card in this case. So Dragon Age knows how to utilize this video card. I was interested because DirectX 11, and in some cases, whenever you don't have DirectX 11, that feature doesn't come. It's like gray, you know. So because I have DirectX 11, I was like, okay, Dragon Age, maybe it's working really nice. It does on low quality. Until now, I play World of Tanks and other games with low quality, so why is not this one on the same page with the other games? Apparently they're all on the same page. This is not a high-end video card, you know, so when you're coming to a FirePro V series, you have to go on a proper high-end video card, but those one have a lot of VRAM and power kind of small, you know, so it's not fair. Those video cards were designed to be utilized for VRAM and applications that requires a lot of VRAM, not gaming edition. So if I want the same performance from this series, this platform, I have to go with the Radeon or something, not with the FirePro, instead of actually getting a nice performance from this. So I'll call it a win with this video card because you can find this very cheap, so it's worth it. Performance wise, this is not bad. I think this can be put in all kinds of machines. If you're interested on getting a video card like this, ideal would be to not get this Barco, you know, to get the original FirePro V5800 so you can install the drivers. I think this video card can benefit from a BIOS mode in order to get the original performance from the video card with the drivers. And I think if we can actually mod it to an ATI Radeon, it will be even better. But I don't care. It's like, this is a very good performance from the video card for its age, 2011. There's a lot of old games that can be played on this, but there is only one single condition on this video card: if it's cheap. You know, this type of hassle, I don't need it. You know, I don't need this type of hassle. I will go with a 500, 600 series NVIDIA from in that period, you know, a Fermi video card. It will be much better for me in this case, you know, because it doesn't have any problems and stress. And Quadros apparently are doing the same thing. You know, I can install, I had a couple of 3 gig or 6 gig model and barely managed to put drivers on it with Windows 10. Seriously, I want to put a Quadro like that, an old Quadro from 2011, 2010, and see how it's performing here with that same library in this machine. Very interesting video cards, you know, but they need to have only one thing in common: low price. The only thing that I want to see in the future with this video card is running it with Windows XP. That's it. I think that if I put this video card with 1 gig of VRAM there, it's gonna be fantastic. This video card needs to run really nice in that machine, and it's gonna be interesting, you know. So this video card, it's one of those that will benefit from an old operating system. It's gonna be flawless with all games, and that is the main target for this video card now. I mean, I can't say nothing bad about putting this video card in a Windows 10 machine, and I think I'm gonna do it as soon as possible, because I want to see this video card how it's performing with more multiplayer games. But for me, for my soul, this video card needs to be in an XP machine with all titles, you know, older than 2011. And if I can do that for the video card, this video card is gonna shine. And you're gonna see that if you manage to find this video card really cheap, you can do some really nice things with it. Very good video card. That's it. He managed to survive until today, 2025. So can't say nothing bad about it. You know, he did his job and he's still alive. If you have any suggestion for the video card or for the system, leave a comment. And as usual, I will see you very soon.